G'day and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're tackling a true classic, chicken schnitzel. This dish is all about crispy golden perfection, and I'm going to show you how to achieve just that. We'll be using chicken breasts, plain flour, eggs, a little milk, and the secret weapon, panko breadcrumbs. These give the schnitzel an extra crispy texture that you just can't beat. First, we will prepare our chicken breasts. To start, pat the chicken breasts dry with paper towels. This helps prevent them from slipping on the cutting board, ensuring a safer cutting experience. Next, remove the tenderloin and any visible sinew or bone fragments. Make an incision where the tenderloin was attached. And then flip the breast and cut through the thickest section. Being careful not to cut all the way through. You can then make smaller cuts to even out the thickness. Once butterflied, cover the chicken with baking paper and gently but firmly pound it to an even thickness. Remember, the goal is to thin the meat, not pulverize it. Now for the crumbing, a simple 3-step process. First, coat the chicken thoroughly with plain flour. Then dip it into the egg wash made with beaten eggs and a splash of milk. Lastly, give it a generous coating of panko breadcrumbs. For extra crispiness, feel free to double coat like I'm doing here. You can either shallow fry or deep fry these schnitzels. We'll start with shallow frying. Preheat your oil to 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. Carefully place the schnitzel into the oil at an angle away from your body to prevent splashes. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Then carefully flip the schnitzel, placing the fillet down away from you. Continue cooking until the internal temperature reaches 74 degrees. Remove the schnitzel and let it drain on a wire rack. Now for the deep frying. Preheat your oil to 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. Again, carefully place the schnitzel into the oil at an angle away from your body. Cook until golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 74 degrees. Remove and let it drain on a wire rack. Oh, that's a good crunch. And there you have it, golden crispy chicken schnitzel, served with a fresh salad and a squeeze of lemon. The perfect combination of crispy, savoury, and zing. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.